Hi, I'm Dan Rochon, greetingsvirginia.com, Keller Williams Realty. And today I want to talk to you about some short sales. My short sales team has successfully sold short sales in Virginia, Maryland, and Washington, D.C. successfully since 2007, selling well over 150 short sales to date successfully. And I want to direct you some resource online at greetingsvirginia.com. Invite you to visit there. There you can find our ebook, Should I Short Sell My Home?, which is a homeowner's guide on how to survive the worst economic downturn in history in regards to real estate prices. And I want to talk to you today a little bit about real estate prices and a little bit about that downturn. So what had occurred, and I want to show this to you on this little chart here, and I want to talk to you about how we got here and the journey and where we are today. And then we're going to take a look at between 2000 and 2013 about what the prices have done. And in the early 2000s, there was the lending guidelines were very lackadaisical, and many people were able to get loans, and the guidelines were just not strict at all. And that was a part of why the prices had increased dramatically between 2000 and around 2005, and really the peak of the market here in 2006, where from 2006 until 2009 there was about a third of the market of the value, and the market had decreased, coming down like that. And so around 2009 the bottom of the market in most areas had pretty much dropped out, and between 2010 and 2013 there's been about a 7% appreciation. Looks more like this actually, and so it seems as though at the bottom of the market has bottomed out. However, for homeowners that had bought in between this area and this area here, those homeowners are really in a position that they may be distressed. They may be in a position where they need to sell their homes, and unfortunately, it's millions of people across the country and hundreds of thousands of people across the Virginia, Maryland, and Washington, D.C. area that are in that position today. So if you are one of those homeowners in that position today, you're not alone. I know that that doesn't really mean a lot to you, or maybe it does, but I do want to reassure you that there's millions across the country that are in that area today. Here's the interesting thing about this trend. If you were to do this out over a 30-year period, and if you were to take this over a 30-year period, and if you were to take a look at where we are today, the standard appreciation over the past 30 years is about a 4.4% annual appreciation in values. And if you erase this peak here of what had occurred between 2000 and 2009, and if you were to just do that line coming in from 2000 for over the last 30 years, what you'll find is that we're actually right in alignment today with where we would have been if we didn't have that big peak and then the huge correction. So again, where you can see here is everybody that's in this yellow area, and those homeowners that need to sell their property today are in a situation, maybe like you may be in, where they're upside down, they need to sell, and then, okay, what do I do? Well, here's what you could possibly do. Short sale may be a viable option for you. Today, banks are eager to do short sales compared to when we started this back in 2007. And the lenders are almost, they're almost asking their clients to do a short sale, definitely, as opposed to doing a foreclosure. If you want some more information, you contact me direct, Dan at greetingsvirginia.com. That's Dan at greetingsvirginia.com. And my team and I, we look forward to helping you. Thank you.